So let me just start. Good morning, everyone, and good evening for some of us who are joined from Canada. Welcome to Skills Academy. Before we dive into our topic, data analytics, let me ask you: have you ever made a decision purely on instinct and later wish you had the data to back it up? That's exactly the gap data analytics fills. It turns gut feeling into smart, evidence based decision. Today, we are going to explore the dynamic world of data analytics, a field transforming every industry and revolutionizing how we work, think, and grow. Here is what we will cover in this session: why data analytics is becoming essential across sectors, a surging demand for data literate professionals who can benefit from career switcher to upskiller, and most importantly, how you can take the first step towards building a successful future in data. Before we dive in, let me just introduce myself. I am Girish Kovilkar with over 15 years of experience in data analytics. I have helped organizations turn raw data into meaningful insights. Currently, I lead as a manager at Capgemini's Insights and Data Group, driving data engineering, data analytics, and data warehousing across industries like finance, healthcare, HR, mining, and engineering. I have delivered enterprise level data warehousing projects, automated processes, and aligned data with AI and ML strategy. I look forward to explore the world of data with you. Now let us see what we'll cover in detail in today's session. First, we will see why data analytics. Data powers today's decision. Analytics helps business make smarter choice and create huge career opportunities. Then we will see the emerging role driving business transformation in India. How data related roles like data analyst, AI specialist are fast growing jobs shaping India's business future. Later on, we will see the audience, how the data analytics course will help everyone who are eager to learn. No tech background is needed, just curiosity and willingness to grow. Then we will see what are the prerequisites in order to enroll and complete the data analytics course. We will start with the basic and logical learning part. Then we will see why you need us. Why not just online platform or self-study would help? Because most of them are lack structured, real-time support, project feedback, and career guidance, leaving the learning gap. While live sessions offers a structured approach, expert Q&A, guided on-hand experience, peer interaction, and industry-focused career support. We offer structured learning, live mentorship, and real-world project designed to make your job ready. Later on, we will see what are the tools we will learn in data analytics course, how you can master using Excel, SQL, Power BI, and Python. Apart from that, you will also develop a real analytical thinking, and storytelling skill. Our course covers fundamental hands-on project and business case study with practical training too. Later on, we will see how different pathways will open once you complete the data analytics course. How we can help you. Our goal is not to train you on particular tool and let it go. We want to be beyond learning with resume building help, interview preparation, LinkedIn guidance, and portfolio building. At last, we will conclude our data analytics information session by providing you the future proof career path. Start your journey today with us from your side. Now, why data analytics? We live in a world overflowing with data. Every time you scroll your phone, buy something online, or stream a show, you are generating data. In fact, we are creating about 2.5 quintillion bytes of data every single day. That's a staggering amount, and it's only growing. Now, what are businesses, governments, and even non-profit doing with all this information? They are using data analytics to make smarter decisions, reduce costs, predict trends, and gain a competitive edge. Let me give you few real-time examples. In the retail world, companies like Amazon, Walmart uses analytics to understand what you are likely to buy and even when, so that they can optimize the stock and pricing. While in healthcare, analytics is being used to predict disease outbreaks, manage hospital resources, and even create personalized treatment plans. Also, in finance, real-time fraud detection system uses analytics to flag suspicious transactions instantly. And yes, even sports team uses data from scouting a new talent to improving everyday performance. Analytics helps shaping winning strategy. Hence, here is the bottom line. Analytics is not just a tech thing, it's a business essential. Whether you work in HR, sales, insurance, banking, logistics, or marketing, understanding data gives you a powerful edge. And guess what? The demand for professionals who can translate data into decision has never been higher. And that's where opportunity begins for people like you. According to the World Economic Forum's Future of Job Report 2025, data analytics role in India are growing among the fastest occupation. This growth is propelled by rapid digital transformation happening across industries like IT, finance, healthcare, manufacturing, and engineering. Organizations are increasingly adopting AI and automation techniques, which in turn require skilled professionals to interpret and leverage vast amount of data. Key skills driving this demand include advanced analytics, data visualizations, and expertise in machine learning and cloud-based data engineering. Additionally, the ability to communicate insights effectively through business intelligence and storytelling has become crucial. Overall, data analytics is playing a transformative role in Indian businesses, enabling innovation, improving customer experience, and enhancing operational efficiencies. For anyone looking to future proof their career in India's evolving job market, developing strong data analytics skill is very essential. As we look at how businesses in India are evolving, the World Economic Forum's 2025 report highlights a clear trend, a shift towards roles that directly support digital and business transformation. This chart outlines the key roles most selected by organizations in India based on the net role growth and structural churn. That is, how many of these roles are growing versus being replaced or transformed. At the top of this list, you will see AI and machine learning specialists, essential to implementing new technologies and navigating changes. Closely following are the roles such as data analyst, data scientist, reflecting the critical need for organizations to harness data for strategic decision. Interestingly, there is also growth in human-centric roles like business professional development and training and development specialist, emphasizing that transformation is not just technical, it's also empowering people. The structural churn percentage shows that while these roles are growing, they are also evolving rapidly. This means professionals in these areas must continually reskill and adapt to stay relevant. In summary, this data tells us the future of work in India is being reshaped by a blend of technology, analytics, and people centric transformation. Now you will ask, if the AI and machine learning are the primary, why we want to do data analytics? The answer is, even though whenever you have to build the AI, you need some data which should be backed for that AI. And that's where the importance of data analytics is first, and then the AI. Now, one of the best thing about data analytics is that it's not just limited to single background or role. Whether you come from IT, marketing, banking, insurance, finance, or even operations, you are simply someone curious how data works. This field has space for you. Let me break it down. If you are from an IT background, you already understand systems. Analytics will help you to translate technical data into business decision. If you are in finance or business, you already use those numbers. Now you will learn how to analyze and visualize them to drive strategy. From marketing and HR, you are surrounded by data, campaign performance, employee metrics. Imagine making smarter decisions using data backs insight. Are you a fresh graduate or a student? Great. This one is best fit for you to launch your career in. With high demand, you can mark early. Sometimes you can be a natural curious. If you love solving problem, spotting trend, and backing up your decision with logic, this journey is definitely for you. Now, we will see what are the prerequisites required in order to complete this particular course. First, you need to know a basic operation, how computer works, how to operate a computer or laptop. Please note, this course should not be taken from any mobile or tablet device because we want to train you with tools and technologies, not just a learning session we want to give you. Hence, with theory, we are going to do the practical things, and hence, we want you to do attend training using your laptop or computers only. Then, we would require a proper internet connection in order to stream the presentation. Whenever we are doing a live session like this, we want to have stable connections so that if you have any questions, you can ask us and we can answer you instantly instead of waiting for any email or any inquiry. Later on, you have to spend some time, 3 to 4 months, every week, at least 4 to 10 hours, so that within 4 weeks, we will make you job ready within 12 weeks, sorry, 3 to 4 months. And one thing, it doesn't stop you practicing. Put your skill by applying real world example. We will provide you all the data sets required in order to practice. Please stay with us. Now, you will ask, we have so much of data available online. YouTube blogs are available. It's natural to wonder, why not just spend self study for data analytics? The answer lies in depth, structure, and support. Self learning often lacks a clear pathway. You might watch a video on SQL today, a dashboard tutorial tomorrow, then get stuck when things don't connect. There is no guaranteed flow that builds concepts step by step. And when you get stuck, there is no instructor or peer to turn for a help. YouTube video can show what to do, but rarely explain the why behind it. And most importantly, there is no feedback on your practical work, which is critical in data analytics, where logic, storytelling, and accuracy matter. Also, on the online platform, you will find hundreds and thousands of videos. And if you are starting a career, it will be very difficult for you to choose the right particular video which can help you to grow the career. On the other hand, live classroom environment provides structured guidance. You get real-time interaction with mentors, industry aligned projects, and peer group that motivates and support you. Plus, expert instructor don't just teach, they mentor you, helping you to apply your knowledge in real world business scenario. So, while online contexts can supplement your learning, live classroom creates a guided, immersed, and personalized learning experience, a kind you need to confidently transition into data analytics career. Now, let us see what you will learn. We have designed this curriculum to give you both technical and real world experience, even if you are starting from scratch. Before analysis, you need to clean accurate data. That's where data cleansing and collection comes in. We will show you how to collect data from various sources and identify inconsistency and prepare it for analysis. It's like polishing a raw diamond before it shines. Then we will see exploratory data analysis. Here is where you deep dive in. You will learn to ask the right question, uncover the pattern and trends, and develop the instinct of a true data detective. Later on, we will see a data visualization, a powerful for numbers. Numbers are very powerful, but only if people can understand them. Using Power BI, you will learn to create interactive visuals that tells a story, drives decision, and inspires action. Also, you will learn SQL and Python. These are your bread and butter as a data analyst. You will get comfortable with SQL for querying database and Python for data manipulation and analysis, two of the most in-demand tools in the industry. Real-world project, this isn't about theory. We will work on on-hands projects using real dataset. So you walk away with tangible proof of your skill, a portfolio you can show to employer. And finally, this is a key. We are not here just to teach you how to use a tool. We are teaching you how to think like a data analyst, to ask the right question, solve problem, and make data-driven decision that matters. Learning data analytics is just one part of journey, but landing to a right job is the destination. That's why we provide complete job assistance support to make sure you are not just skilled but also market ready. We start with resume building, helping you to create a clean, tailored resume that highlight your tools, hands-on projects, and business impact. We also ensure it's ATS friendly. ATS is a system used by the employer for the application tracking. It is used to pass the to evaluate whether your resume is aligned with the job description. So it passed through the software smoothly. Next, we will offer interview preparation. This includes mock interview, both technical and behavioral, and guiding on answering real-world questions using a STAR method. We also stimulate case studies and test scenarios to build your confidence. Finally, we will work on your profile boost, optimizing your LinkedIn, reviewing your GitHub or portfolio, and providing you a visible for hiring managers and recruiters. Our mission is simple, not just to train you, but you, but to help you get hired. Now you will ask, what are the different job opportunity once I complete this course? First, there is a opportunity as a business analyst, often an entry-level position focusing on assessing business need and determining effective strategy. Analyze business processes, work independently and with teams, and offer variety daily tasks. Key skill required for business analyst is an advanced Excel and a data visualization tool like Power BI. The responsibility of business analyst is to build the bridge between the business and IT product development team to provide functional insight for data. Next, you can work as a data analyst. This role specializes in examining data to answer business questions for various teams within the organization. Key skill required is analytical thinking and data visualizations, and some part of SQL. Collaborating with marketing, IT, product development team, and other departments to provide insight based on data analysis. Next, you can work as a data scientist. Similar to data analyst, but with focus on building machine learning models and making predictions. Advanced statistical analysis, machine learning, and data research skill are required. Your responsibility as a data scientist is to conduct independent research to find patterns and trends and provide strategic insights for decision makers. Last but not the least, you can work as a data engineer who focus on technical infrastructure for data management within an organization. Key skill required for this is the understanding of software development lifecycle, programming, data infrastructure management. The key responsibilities for a data engineer is to build the pipeline, maintain data storage systems, and ensure data availability for analysis for all the other roles. To wrap up things, data analytics is no longer a niche skill. It must have industry experience, powering everything from business decision to AI solution. India's demand for data professional is growing rapidly, and the time to start is now. And remember, you don't need to come from tech background. With a right structure, mentorship, and hands-on projects and experience, you can build a successful career in the field of data analytics. This course is designed to not only teach you tool but also make you job ready, confident and capable. Most importantly, you don't you won't be on this journey alone. We are here to guide you and support you from first session to your first job offer. So, if you're ready to explore a future in data, now it's time to begin. Just to let you know that all the slide, whatever we had made, is referred from all these references link from World Economic Forum, from Gartner, and from Microsoft. All referred information are collected together and presented to you. Now it's time for question and answer. Please let me know if you have any questions. Now, since there are many fraud things happening, I just want to make sure that you enroll on the course in right way. If you have any questions, you can send an email to inquiry@skillsacademy.com. Now, you will ask, how can I enroll for the course? First, you need to find on a Google Skills Academy like this. Then You will log in or you will go on the site. Here you will see the main page of Skills Academy is loaded. You need to go to career page. When you scroll down, you need to click on explore more. This is the analytics career page. When you scroll down, there is a option on bottom right to enroll for course. Please click on that. Here you will enter your name and email. Please note, this name and email are required so that it will be entered on your certificate. Email is required in order to send you the course meeting or live joining sessions. Please select the schedule accordingly. There are two schedules we are going to take. Wednesday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. IST time, or Saturday, Sunday, 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. IST time. Once you do this, you will then go to the proceed for payment. Please note, we have analyzed all the fees across India and come up with the minimal fees which are required to run all these resources and to provide a trainer a minimal payment. That's it. Also, we are providing first 25 people who are registering on our course with the data 25 as a coupon code. When you use it, you will get 25% discount. Once a payment is done by entering all those fields, you will be rendered over a payment confirmation page. When you come on this page and when the payment is done, you can get confirmed that you are successfully enrolled for the course. Later on, we will send you the list of schedule on your email that you have to attend on regular basis. If you fail to attend, please don't worry. We will help you to provide an recorded video. And after that, we will also provide you, if you have any questions, a one-on-one session or a group discussion for that. Now, what special discount we are providing? There are two types of special discount we are having. One is if you are a first-time student who are joining on a data analytics course, you will get 25% discount, but you have to use the coupon code on the payment page as data25. Also, if any one of you are not able to pay any fees, please email us at support@skillsacademy.com, providing your financial condition in detail. What we are planning to do is we have student of 50 per batch, and 10% of that we are planning to give as a free. So 5 people per session or 5 people per course we will be teaching free. So if you have those kind of financial struggle, please don't hesitate and join us. Email us. We will help you to proceed for the enrollment. Thank you. Even if you have any questions, you can reach out to me or reach out to any of our members. Thank you.